Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Gather a soft lint-free cloth, 70% isopropyl alcohol, 2 drops of mild soap, and a bowl of warm water. Power off or remove cards from the Magsafe wallet before cleaning to prevent damage. Work on a flat, soft surface and allow 30 minutes drying time after cleaning. Avoid abrasive pads, paper towels, or solvents stronger than 70% isopropyl because they can remove coatings or color. Keep magnets away from credit cards while cleaning to avoid demagnetization risks. Dampen 1 soft cloth with warm water and 2 drops of mild soap, then wring nearly dry. Lightly wipe the wallet exterior in circular motions for 30 to 60 seconds per side. Flip and repeat to clean edges and seams without soaking the wallet. For stubborn dirt, use a cotton swab dampened with 70% isopropyl alcohol on small spots only. After cleaning, pat with a dry, lint-free cloth and let the wallet air dry for 30 minutes on a flat surface. Avoid soaking, machine washing, or high heat exposure to preserve leather and magnets. Condition leather once every 3 months with a recommended leather conditioner, using 1 pea-sized amount applied with a soft cloth. Test conditioner on a small hidden area first to check color transfer. Store the wallet away from high humidity, direct sunlight, and magnetic-sensitive cards to prevent warping and demagnetization. If stains persist, consult a professional leather cleaner rather than using stronger chemicals at home.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.